Welcome to week 3 of learning about action words. So we can use all the words we've been learning about these months and use them together with the action words. Let's start the week with new word. In Master Azerbaijani word of today, we have QALXMAQ. QALXMAQ. QALXMAQ can mean to get up, to rise, or to take off in terms of plane. Let's take a look at these closer through phrases and then sentences. Phrases first. To get up early. To rise quickly. The takeoff of the plane. Let's see. Tez QALXMAQ. Tez, quickly, early, faster. There's also one more. Tezdən, early on. If you want to say to get up early on. Tez QALXMAQ, tezdən QALXMAQ. Sürətlə QALXMAQ. Sürət is speed. Sürətlə with speed, basically fast, quickly. Now, Təyyarənin QALXMAQsı. See, QALXMAQ is an infinitive form, the maq suffix. It needs to drop or change into QALXMAQsı, the takeoff of the plane. Təyyarənin off the plane. Now, let's take a look at some sentences. First one. Səhərlər, saat 6da qalxmaq mənim üçün çətindir. Amma günüm daha məhsuldar keçir. Getting up at 6 in the morning is hard for me, but my day is more productive. Səhərlər, in the morning. Saat 6da. Saat is an hour clock. 6 is 6. 6da at 6. Mənim üçün, for me. Çətindir is hard. Çətin is the word for hard. Çətindir is hard. Amma, but. Günüm, my day. Gün is the day. Günüm, my day. Daha məhsuldar. Məhsuldar, productive. Daha, more. Keçir is, passes, goes on basically. Now, next one. Sərnişinlər pəncərədən şəhərə son dəfə baxarkən Təyyarənin vaxtında qalxmaq üçün heyət sürətlə hazırlıq gördü. You should have been Təyyarənin vaxtında qalxması, the one we talked about it. But anyways. While the passengers took one last look at the city from the window, the crew prepared quickly for the plane to take off on time. Sərnişinlər, sərnişin, passenger, sərnişinlər, passengers. Pəncərə, window, pəncərədən, from the window. Şəhərə, şəhər is the city, şəhərə, technically, literal translation means to the city, look into the city. But here, you look at the city in English. So, baxarkən, while taking a look. Təyyarənin vaxtında qalxması üçün, to take off the plane, basically, on time. Heyət is the crew. Sürətlə, quickly, fast. Hazırlıq gördü, prepared, got ready. Right? That was today's action word, QALXMAQ. Let's see how else we can use it. I set 5 alarms, but QALXMAQ still refused the invitation. Now, to help you with your learning Azerbaijani language, I have built a Master Azerbaijani app that is available in Google Store and App Store. Feel free to download it and start your learning journey. The module 1 is the foundational module that I am giving it away along with the vocabulary of all the modules there and future models that will come there. I also have masterazerbaijani.com where I'm posting blogs every 10 days, and I've been doing this since 2025 November. You can find over there blogs on multiple topics, including extra additional tips and grammars on grammar and language, and historical and cultural aspects as well. Feel free to check this out. Otherwise, I'll see you tomorrow. Cheers.